Yo, what up everybody, man? This is DC 400 on the SG 400. Hey, I'm down here at CSC Motorcycles. Down here to get the oil change stuff. So they gave me a washer, they gave me 3 quarts of oil, and the oil filter. So, hook up that DIY, knock it out, man. But down here, man, they got inventory. That's the SG 250 right there. They got a couple SG 400s, the bike that you need. They got RX4s, RX3s, the new RX1 that's electric. That's where the future is going, man. Y'all gotta get you gotta get an electric bike. Eventually, you're going to get one. It's going to happen. No clutch, of course. Good beginner rider type bikes. You know what I'm saying? Freeway capable, highway capable. Street capable. It's capable. This is what you need, man. Check out the website, man. Oh, this is that new what is this? The SR 650 is what it's called. So I think this is the biggest bike that they have right now, the biggest size bike. It's nice, man. I love this red color, man. I know I got the red jacket and all that, but I love the red color. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna change the SG 400 to red. I'm gonna do it. Look at that. Look at that display. It looks about like at least 7 inches. With the actual screen size right here to here. It's dope, man. Man, if you're here in California, man, come on down. Well, Southern California, i.e. anywhere around here. Azusa, they got bikes, tires, parts department. Bring your bike here to get it serviced. Like I said, man, customer service is top notch, man. It's cool. You don't have to worry about nothing. You have any problems, just make a phone call, man. It's that simple. One thing too I want to mention too, man, is the customer service. Customer service has always been on point. Whether you're making a phone call, whether you're meeting people in person, it doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying? They're always attentive. They always have the information. They'll look for it. It just really feels like a great business, you know what I'm saying, to be doing business with, you know what I'm saying? Every time I come down here, it's probably my 4th time coming down here. I've always had a great experience. The person that helped me last time, his name was TK. He's not here today, but there's a guy named Matt. Not the Matt from the videos. There's parts Matt, then there's a sales associate Matt. You know what I'm saying? But they all got the A+ customer service, man. So like I said, call down, check out the website. Easy to navigate. Yeah, man. Get off the fence. You don't have to be on the fence, man. SG 400. That's what's up. But yeah, man, it's DC 400. Hey, thanks for checking out the video. Yeah, more videos to upload. Probably show y'all some of my Route 66 footage. I seen 2 in and outs, so you know what that means. I'm going to in and out. Definitely. All right, man. Hey, I'm out.